diamonds. I don't need fame, just your soft voice calling my name. Coffee's warm, the sunlight's slow. You smile and the world begins to glow. No rush, no race, just time with you. In every breath, love feels brand new. I want a Sunday kind of love, gentle as the skies above, where hearts can rest, where souls can stay in peace that never fades away. A Sunday kind of love, so true. Every calm begins with you. The city sleeps, the world's at ease. You and I just caught in peace. Records spin, your head on my chest. This quiet moment feels so blessed. Every heartbeat tells me so. You're my forever, soft and slow. I want a Sunday kind of love, gentle as the skies above, where hearts can rest, where souls can stay in peace that never fades away. A Sunday kind of love, so true. Every calm begins with you. No storm can shake what we've begun. Our love shines brighter than the sun. In every dawn I find my way back to your arms, my quiet place. A Sunday kind of love I'll keep through every night, through every sleep. No matter how the seasons move, I'll always come back home to you. Just me and you, and that Sunday kind of love.